Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by securing your data and power so the reset runs without interruption. First, backup documents, photos, and licenses to an external drive or cloud and confirm backups opened. Once done, plug in your PC or charge past half capacity to prevent shutdown during reset. Next, open Settings, go to Update and Security, and select Recovery. This is where Windows stores the reset tools. Make sure you have any needed product keys or account passwords before proceeding. Now you choose how thorough the reset will be and why it matters. You'll click Reset this PC and decide between Keep My Files or Remove Everything. Keep files if you want personal data preserved, remove everything for a clean slate. Then choose Cloud Download for a fresh image when you have stable bandwidth, or Local Reinstall to use existing files. If you choose Full Wipe, be aware apps and drivers are removed, and you'll need to re-enter software licenses afterward. You're ready to execute. Confirm your selections and click Reset, then the PC will restart and perform the reset sequence automatically. This can take from 20 minutes to a few hours. Once complete, you'll go through initial setup, region, network, account sign-in, and privacy options, then reinstall apps and restore files from your backup. If the process fails or stalls, create a recovery USB or boot into safe mode to run diagnostics. This often fixes driver or disk issues blocking completion.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.